Alright guys, so something new that my husband and we've been doing lately is having our like protein shakes. Now we do have a couple of bottles for our shakes from this specific brand and we love it. It does come with this little, basically like a whisk. So this is what mixes. Now if you do like your shakes blended with like ice, you can definitely do that. But if you are fine with just putting the scoop and then your water or whatever liquid it is that you are using, and you just shake it up, this definitely does shake it up really well and just breaks it and blends it really nicely. So one of my favorite things about this one is actually the fact that it is a stainless steel. The other two that I have are just like regular plastic bottles. They do have other colors available on this as well. This is just the matte black, but I believe they do have it in other colors that are stainless steel. So this is a lid to it. If you just, this one isn't necessarily like too much of a twist off. I feel like it just gets kind of stuck on there too. And I haven't had any leak problems on it, so that's a really good thing. And just to show you guys what it looks like on the inside. Can't lift it. This part is a screw. But yeah, so that's what it looks like on the inside. It's a stainless steel. You can definitely see how much you can put in there as well. But yeah, this is a really great cup, especially if you're looking and you're just not too aware yet of something like specific to get. I definitely recommend this brand.